What's the meaning of Anthony Trollope? Anthony Trollope. Anthony Trollope. Anthony Trollope. Anthony Trollope. Anthony Trollope.
Anthony Trollope was a 19th-century British novelist, best known for his satirical and realistic portrayals of Victorian society. Over the course of his career, he wrote over 40 novels, including The Warden, Barchester Towers, and The Way We Live Now. Trollope's works often focused on social issues and the struggles of middle-class life, as well as politics and gender dynamics. His legacy as an author has endured, with many of his books remaining popular to this day and influencing later writers such as Jane Austen and George Eliot.